Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study Unit 4 Sports and Entertainment. So in this we have to tick the correct answer from the given 4 answers. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. An outdoor sports played with an oval ball by 2 teams of 15 players each. So option A, football, B, cricket, C, rugby. So students, the correct answer is rugby. So we'll take it like this. Then second one, this is the game of bat and ball played between 2 teams of 9 players each. So what it is? A, baseball, C, cricket, B, cricket, C, ice hockey. So that means it is baseball, because in baseball we have 9 players each. Then C, a racket sports played by 2 players in a 4-walled court with a rubber ball, that is squash. So students, in squash we used to play it in the 4-walled court. Then a sports that consists of 3 events: squat, bench press and deadlift. So it is, yes students, you are absolutely right, that is powerlifting. Then fifth one, a team sport in which one team sends a raider into the half of the other team. The raider has to hold his or her breath during the entire raid. So that is kabaddi. We have to mark like this, okay? Then a sports that played on a large table with different colored ball. So students, that is snookers. In snookers there are different colors of balls are there. Then seventh one, a sports in which the players attempt to score points by rolling a heavy ball along a flat surface to hit objects called pins. So it is bowling. This one, B. Okay students. Then we have the second next page, Unit 4 Sports and Entertainment. In this also we have to match the following names of these sports person related to their sports. So students, we have to write the name of these we have to write the name of these sports which these players used to play. So let's begin with the first one. First one is Rafael Nadal. He played tennis. So we are going to write here tennis like this. Then second one is Vishwanathan Anand. So he is very famous for his game chess. So we are going to write it here, chess. Okay. Then third one is Cristiano Ronaldo. He plays football. So we are going to write here football like this. Then fourth one is Magnus Carlsen. He plays chess. So we are going to write here chess. Okay. Then now the fifth one is Virat Kohli. So everybody knows him. He plays cricket. Like this. Then sixth one is Sania Nehwal. He plays badminton. Okay. Then seventh one is Mary Kom. So Mary Kom plays boxing. Like this. Then eighth one is Michael Clark. So he is also very famous cricketer. So we are going to write here cricket. He plays cricket. Like this. Okay. Then Ninth one is Manpreet Singh Pawar. So he plays hockey. So we are going to write it here, hockey, like this. Then 10th one is Sidney Corbe. So he plays ice hockey. Okay, then 11th one is Lionel Messi. So he plays football. Okay, then 12th one is Serena Williams. So he is also very famous tennis player. So we are going to write it here, tennis. She plays tennis, like this. Now the last one, that is J.V. Boros. He plays basketball. Like this. Okay, students. So now we'll do the another one. That is, read the description and write the names of these all the time great tennis players. Take the help from the help box. So students, in this hall also we have to write the name of these tennis players and we have to take the help from this help box. Okay. So let's begin. First one. She won a total of 22 Grand Slams title. In 1988, she won the Olympic gold medal in the women's singles and all the 4 Grand Slam singles title. Who is she? So students, we can see the picture also here. So she is Steffi Graf. So we are going to write it here, Steffi Graf. Like this. Okay. Then second one. He was the world's #1 player for 7 consecutive years from 1964 to 1970. He won 11 Grand Slams men's single titles. He is the only player to have won the Grand Slam twice. So he is Rod Laver. We are going to write here Rod Laver. Like this. Okay. Then third one, probably the greatest tennis player of all the time. He has won more Grand Slam singles title than any other male players. So he is none other than Roger Federer. Roger Federer. Okay. Then next one, fourth one. One of the greatest female player of all the times. She won 31 Grand Slams title. She also won the women's singles and double gold medal at the 1924 Summer Olympics in Paris. She is Helen Willis Moody. So we are going to write it here, Helen Willis Moody. Okay. Then fifth one. He was great service return player and the first American to win the Olympic gold medal in the men's single in 1996. He was the first player to win all 4 Grand Slams. So he is Andre Agassi. Andre Agassi. Okay. Then sixth one. She won 62 Grand Slams title. Overall 24 single more than any other player. 19 doubles and 19 mixed doubles in 1970. She won the Grand Slam. That is, she is Margaret Court. So we are going to write it here, Margaret Court. Okay. So students, this is how we have to do all of these exercises. So we have come to the end of this part 1 of this video, and in the another video we will discuss the further topics of this book. So have a nice day, students. Thank you, class.